In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle confidential mode in Gmail. If you ever need to send sensitive information by email, Gmail's confidential mode adds an extra layer of protection. It limits what recipients can do with your message, disables forwarding, copying, printing, and downloading, and lets you set an expiration date so access ends automatically. Start by opening Gmail and clicking Compose to bring up a new message. In the message window, look along the toolbar at the bottom. You'll see an icon that looks like a lock with a clock. That's the confidential mode toggle. Click it to open the settings panel. First, choose an expiration. This controls how long the recipient can view the message before access disappears. Pick the duration that matches your needs, whether it's short-term access for quick details or a longer window for ongoing projects. Remember, expiration only controls access to the secure message view. It doesn't recall messages that have already been read. Next, decide if you want to require a passcode. If you select no SMS passcode, Gmail will authenticate recipients who are signed in with Google automatically, which keeps the process simple. If you choose SMS passcode, the recipient will receive a one-time code by text before they can open the message. This is a good option when you want an extra verification step, especially for recipients who aren't using Gmail. Follow the on-screen prompt to add the phone number when asked. When your expiration and passcode preferences look right, click Save. You'll notice a small banner at the bottom of your draft indicating confidential mode is active along with the expiration date. From here, compose your message as usual and send it. The recipient will open it in a protected view, and if you enabled SMS verification, they'll enter the code they received to proceed. A few helpful notes as you use this feature. Attachments you add are shared as view-only links in the protected view, so recipients can read but not download them. While confidential mode discourages copying and downloading, it can't prevent screenshots or photos of the screen, so always consider the sensitivity of what you send. If you need to adjust the expiration or passcode before sending, reopen the lock icon and update your settings. That's all there is to it. With confidential mode enabled, you control how long your message stays accessible and who can open it, helping you share information more safely.